And you can, for example, write in one channel a message, get a response, and forward this message to another channel, which then another agent works with this information. It's like working together with different people with different skills. So, hello to my video about my Discord channel for my Upwork proposals, or mostly Upwork proposals. I created a Discord channel mostly because I had issues with my Upwork proposals got viewed, but I didn't get any responses. I started to do Google Sheets and collecting data and optimizing it. And at the end, I ended up to create a Discord channel with different channels and linked to an N8N workflow where the different channels lead to different agents. So the benefit of this is like you create one Discord bot which has access to different agents, and you can, for example, write in one channel a message, get a response, and forward this message to another channel, which then another agent works with this information. It's like working together with different people with different skills, in this case with different agents, with different system prompts, different access to information. And so this is a really nice use case. I use this like, for example, I have one channel which I have a proposal analysis, which suggests me optimizing my proposals. I then can forward this information or the suggestion for optimization to the other channel where another AI agent will update the guidelines, and the guidelines for the proposal then will influence in the next channel where I have an agent which writes me new proposals, and this will then influence how he writes the proposals. So let's dive into it. So to give you a quick overview, um, I do have a general channel where there is not much. It's just a normal AI agent with specific output requirements. I said I want to have emojis, and he talks to me, sir, and at your service. And is there anything else I can do for you? And then I have a scam tester. This scam tester has access to the Google Sheets, and there I tagged everything which was a scam or potentially a scam on Upwork. I had a few issues where I sent a proposal and actually it was a scam, or it didn't align with my excuse me, didn't align with my ethical requirements, so to speak. For example, there was a Swiss schools which asked me to write a good review, so they actually asking were asking for a fake review, and they're not going to do things like this. I had requests for making a video for like a gambling, like a chicken run. It's like a scam gambling game, mobile on mobile devices. I have multiple things, and I want to avoid to lose connects for this. So this the scam tester. You have access to this information, and I will update the Google Sheets all the time. So where when I so he can make decision based on the past experiences. Then I have a channel for writing new proposals. This agent writes the new proposals based on the guidelines I provide him. And at yeah, what came out in the proposal analysis was I need very concise proposals. If they're very long, they didn't get any view. So I had for a while I wrote really long proposals, like more than 300 words, no views at all. So most of time, very concise proposals with a good hook and um, this has the best response rate at all. Then, yeah, in this case was also additional questions. Then I have the proposal analysis. This was the starting point here. I actually started with the proposal analysis and I started to build on this and went further because I thought, hey, this could be a useful use case. For example, because I can now, when I have, for example, suggestions, I can forward these suggestions to the update guidelines, and then from the update guidelines, he update the guidelines. And when I go here and write a new proposal, the guidelines are updated. Then same I said, here's the update guidelines. He will update the guidelines and then guidelines updated, sir. So let's have a look at the back end, the end workflow to show you what is there going on. So the logic here is pretty simple. I have a webhook which get a response from the bot. I also will show you you cannot directly implement like Discord node which you can receive messages. So you have to set up a bot. In this case, I created a bot. I can show you this after with Cloud Code and set it up. It's really easy, and I run it locally because I only use this channel, so there's no problem when I switch the bot off when I don't use it, and if I use it, I can start running the bot again. So in this case, one webhook, then the logic depending on the channel where the message is sent, it sends it to different agents. I have here like the proposal analysis agent, which has access to the Google Sheet. I can show you quickly the Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet. In the first table, there's all the information from Upwork, from the job title and the original job description, my proposal, and like I said, I will find something. Yeah, here, for example, um, if I have an ethnical scam or something, I just write it down. This is then the information for the scam bot. And then table two is like the guidelines. I have different guidelines. They're currently active. I can also switch them off and change them depending on the future outcomes of my proposals. If they get viewed, if they get responses or not, I will adapt and change depending on this. I needed a code node. Other thing in Discord that was a little bit an issue, but you can work around it, is like you have a maximum word count, I think was it. It's like 200 words or something maximum, and more you cannot send. So I had to split it somehow. I used the code node. In this case, for the scam tester, I didn't need a code node. I just set him stay below 200 words because this normally don't need a very long explanation if it's a scam or not. But for the proposal analysis, that's most of time you need something longer than 200 words. Then new proposal as well. This agent, he is going to update also the Google Sheets. He has access to documents like my CV and my Upwork profile. I have here my whole Upwork profile and my whole CV, so he can take information from there and write a good proposal. And he then adds the information also to the Google Sheets that he wrote this proposal. And he's additionally also suggesting like rates and um, yeah, if maybe if you should boost it or not. Then the general is very same I said is a general channel is very simple. It's just a language model. It's like normal AI agent with no special skills or special tools access. Just general. If I want to chat in the Discord channel for I have a general question. Then here I have the update guidelines channel. Here also have a simple memory where he can remember the last messages, which is pretty useful. And he can take information, get a row from the Google Sheets, and then also update or append a row depending on the request. If I say, hey, I want to update this guideline, then he will update it. Um, Here, for example, I had with update guidelines. Yeah, I'm right. He couldn't find the guideline, so I told him you have access to the Google Sheet. Just find the ID and update it. And after he found it, so it's still not perfectly. I think I have to optimize the system prompt and also the tool description to get more reliable, because in this case he didn't understand which one is the guideline or how to find it, and he asked me for clarification. After I clarified it, hey, this is the ID, just go find it and change it. He, with no problem, he could handle the task. So I think this is, same I said, pretty useful. You can interact like in a chat, like you would interact with different coworkers and solve a different task, and you have specialized. You also can add some more logic if you want to. In this case, it's just depending on the channel. You also could add more logic depending on what case or what message or whatever, and build this more up. So I think this is pretty interesting to use like a Discord channel as a tool to work with different AI agents. And same I said, a really cool feature like this is you can forward a message to another other agent, or forward it and add some personal message as well, and then work and interact with them together. And yeah, it's much better than to chat with real humans. It's better to chat with some AI agents. So and same I said, you need for this an bot, and this you cannot have like a Discord message node where you can receive message. You really have to run a bot, but this really simple. In my case, I used Cloud Code. Really, have one two prompts, pasting inside the webhook node, and it was running with no issue, no problem. Really simple program to run this bot. And then you, of course, you have in your Discord server, you have to set up with your credentials with NIDN and link it, and then it's really working without any issue. Um, but I think I don't need to go too much into detail. So like I said, so you have to go to a Discord developer portal, and there you have to create an application, set in all credentials, and link it to an NIDN. So I can show you this now because there are the credentials of my, and yeah, here in the webhook you have to then to add the post message and the URL you need to paste in the in the in your code, which you use for your application. And you also need here for the send message. There is a node for send message, but there isn't a node for receiving message. So that you understand it right. For your send message, you also have to link your credentials to the application so that you in here connect with OAuth 2, and this you all do in the developer portal, here inside here when you create the application. So I hope this was helpful. Maybe it's interesting to hear somebody what they think about using Discord, like for that you can forward messages between different agents. And yes, I would say Thanks for watching. Create your own bot and see you in the next video.